Hello everyone, welcome to today's online class. Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí ìgbàgede ẹ̀kọ́ ayélujára ti òní. Our topic for today is àkórí ẹ̀kọ́ wa ti òní ní àṣà ìsọmọlórúkọ. Àṣà ìsọmọlórúkọ. The christening culture. How do we christen our child in Europe, and how do we name our child? How do we name our children? This is what we want to look at. Àwọn Yorùbá gbàgbọ́ pé orúkọ máa ń ro ọmọ, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni orúkọ ní ìjánu ọmọ. So we believe that the name given to a child goes a long way in affecting that particular child. That is why the Yorùbás don't just give a child name anyhow. They have to put some things in consideration before they give the child a name. Tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ sọmọ ní orúkọ, to name a child in Yoruba land in those days, àgbà obìnrin tàbí baálẹ̀ tí ó jẹ́ olórí ẹbí ni yóò gbé ọmọ dání. That is, the oldest woman or the oldest man in that family will be the one to carry the child and name the child and give the child a name, anyone that the father or the mother of the child has chosen. And they will now put some items for the naming ceremony to put it in the child's mouth. Wọn yóò máa fi ohun èlò ìsọmọlórúkọ kọ̀ọ̀kan sí ẹnu ọmọ láti fi wúre fún. As they are putting it in the child's mouth, they will be saying words of prayers to the child. They will be putting it in the child's mouth and they will be saying words of prayer. And the remaining ones will be passed over to everybody there seated. Do you understand? Or every family. They will also taste it and then they will give the child a name. That is why in Yoruba land in those days, a child usually have a lot of names. And in those days, it is very early in the morning they name a child. Òwúrọ̀ kùtùkùtù ni wọ́n máa ń sọmọ lórúkọ, tàbí ìyálẹ̀ta or at noon in those days. Unlike now that we name a child in the evening when people had gone to work and they are back so that they can come. So now let's look at the items for christening a child in Yoruba land. Number one, atare. This is alligator pepper. As you can see the image, you have obiabata. This is kola nut. Not just any kola nut. It's a kind of kola nut. It has its own species. We have orogbo bitter kola. This is very important. Ọtí, alcohol, or let's say shinap. Just a bit. Iyọ̀, salt. We also have ìrèké, sugar cane. It's very, very vital. All these things have symbols. Oyin, honey, omi tútù, cold water. Not really chilled water, but a normal water, cold water. Do you understand? Epo pupa, palm oil. Epo pupa, palm oil. All these items have their own significance and they use it to pray for the child. Owo, money. You know, in those days they make use of the cowries. So money. And we also have adun. It's a corn meal, it's scientist, ẹja, àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ, fish and so on and so forth. So lẹ́yìn àdúrà yìí, oníkálukú yóò máa sọ ọmọ ní orúkọ bí èrò bá ṣe pọ̀ tó ní ọmọ náà yóò ṣe pọ̀ tó. I've said it before that they will all give the child a name. Everybody seated will be naming the child. Ohun tí àwọn Yorùbá máa ń ṣe àkíyèsí kí wọ́n tó sọmọ lórúkọ, they don't just give a child a name. They look at some things before they give the child a name. Number one, ipò tí ọmọ wà nígbà tí a bí, the position of the child when the child was born. Number two, ipò tí òbí àti mọ̀lẹ́bí wà, the position of the family and the parents. Probably they are wealthy, they are from royal home. Ọjọ́ àti àsìkò tí a bí wọn, the day and time the child was born. Number 4, ẹ̀sìn àti ìdílé wọn, the kind of religion they are serving. So now let's look at the ìsọ̀rí orúkọ, the names one after the other. We have orúkọ àmútọ̀runwá, name brought from heaven. We have orúkọ àbísọ, just a given name. We have orúkọ ẹ̀sìn tàbí òrìṣà ìdílé, that is names given to a child based on the family religion. Orúkọ àbíkú, that is a name brought to that. We have orúkọ oríkì, praise name. So let's give examples one after the other. Number 1, orúkọ àmútọ̀runwá, name given to a child born from heaven. We have Táyé Kẹ́hìndé. These are a name given to twin. Ìdòwú, a child that followed twin. Àlàbá, a child that followed Ìdòwú. Ìgè, a child born with leg. Dada, a child born with dreadlock. Àjàyí, a child born with the head facing down instead of up. Òjó and Àìná, a child with the umbilical cord around the neck. Orúkọ àbísọ, just a given name. Abíọ́dún, Abíọ́lá, Dámilọ́lá, Ṣeun, Ìfẹ́. All those names, they are just giving names. You understand? We also have orúkọ ẹ̀sìn tàbí òrìṣà ìdílé, that is a religious name. Fábùnmi, that is they worship Ifá in their family. Ṣàngóbùnmi, Ṣàngóṣèyí, they worship Ṣàngó in their family. We have Ọ̀yáyẹmí, they worship Ọya, the goddess of wind. We have Aboríṣàdé, that is they worship all deities. Akọ́jẹ̀dé, they worship masquerade. Ẹ̀fúnjọkẹ́, this one they worship water. Omilani, Omiyale, they worship water. We have Èṣùbíyì, they worship Satan. Now not that kind of Satan, the devil as a deity. This one does good things, not the opposite of Jesus that is taking us to hellfire. Do you understand? So now let's look at orúkọ àbíkú, those children that are born to die. You have Malomo, please don't go again. When the child dies like 2-3 times, they give the child 5 names like Malomo, please don't go again. Ikú Mápàyí, please death, don't kill this one. Ikú Kọ̀yí, death has rejected this one. But when the child dies like 1 million times, 7 times, 20 times, they give the child ugly names like Ajá, dog, Ajatunde, the dog is here again. Olétúbọ̀, the thief is here again. Àkísà, rag. Do you understand? But Kòsọ́kọ́, Bámitálẹ́, Jayé, all those ones, they are still fine names. Now orúkọ oríkì, praise name. You know, the Yorubas, they like to praise their children, so they give them fine names like Alani, Àṣàkẹ́, Àyìnlá, Àkànkẹ́, Àjọkẹ́, Àṣàbí, Àkànní, Àkànó, Àrẹ̀mú. Have I mentioned yours? Àlàkẹ́, Àdùnní, àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. We have wonderful names. Àwọn ọjọ́ tí à ń sọ ọmọ lórúkọ ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, the day in which we do the naming ceremony in those days. Now for a girl child, it's on the 7th day, ọjọ́ keje. For the boy child, it's on the 9th day, ọjọ́ kẹsàn-án. Then for a twin, it's on the 8th day. But due to modernization, we now name all our children on the 8th day. Do you understand? So let's do our evaluation. Tani ó máa ń gbé ọmọ dání níbi ìsọmọlórúkọ? Who usually carries the child when naming the child? Àsìkò wo ni à ń sọmọ lórúkọ níjọ́un? When do we name a child in those days? Dárúkọ ohun ìsọmọlórúkọ 5. Mention 5 items used in naming a child. Sọ orúkọ àbísọ 5. List 5 ordinary names, just fine names like that, okay? Thank you.